welcome back to my channel. I have a Bloomchic haul for you guys today, a try-on haul as always. First off, my entire outfit other than my shoes is actually from Bloomchic. They do have sizes 10 through 30, so they do accommodate a variety of sizes. So let's go ahead and get started. First off is this cute little cardigan here. You guys, I have fell in love with this. It does have like a swoop arm to it, so it goes down real low. It does open up like this. Oops. Look at the back. Now this is a thicker material. It does have splits on the sides here, all the way up. Look at the fringe. Look at the fringes. Oh, and it goes all the way up. And I love it. This neckline. The neckline, this texture here, kind of like these lines, I don't even know, accordion texture. And this texture, they're two different textures, but they go so good together. And look at it. I actually wore this out today, and it is so comfortable. And it was 80 degrees today, and this kept me nice and cool, but I was still covered. Pair it with this cute little Steve Madden bag that I just bought today. This top here is giving me homemade, like your grandma made it for you, and it's very special, very stylish. Look, again, Bloomchic pants. Look, it's like someone hand knitted this shirt. I love it. I love it so much. Look at this. I do still have a shirt underneath it, because it is kind of, it's not see-through, but you can see through it because of it being knitted. But look at the detail of these little, I guess you call them squares. I love it. I love it so much. I'm going to be wearing this all the time. The fit is just so comfortable, so soft. Look at the length. It's a beautiful length, you guys. If you buy one thing from Bloomchic, this needs to be it. It is stunning. Stunning. Okay, this is a lightweight sweatshirt or a long sleeve t-shirt. Love the color, love the fit of this. It's absolutely gorgeous. Again, I do have a tank top underneath it. That's just my preference because I didn't feel like taking it off. But look at the sleeves. Look how beautiful they are. And they are see-through. Obviously, they're like a net material. And then these hand-sewn little flowers. This is so beautiful. Love the cupped sleeves. Look at the neckline. This is a beautiful, beautiful, soft U-shaped neckline. This is lightweight. It's not going to keep you warm in the winter, but this is perfect for the fall. Last but certainly not least is this beautiful, beautiful sweater materialed dress. Look at this. It has pockets as well. This is a nice thick dress. So it's going to carry you over into the winter months, and it's going to keep you warm. It's a great length. Look, I just wear it with these shoes. Look at the back. Oh, you guys, this right here is a nice, thick, heavy-weighted dress. Again, I would pair it with this bag in particular because I love the color. It'll look so cute. Look at the fabric. Oh, okay. So it does cinch in the waist here, so it appears to give you a smaller waist. Look at the bottom. The bottom of this dress has fringes. Fringes. Kind of like my bangs. But you guys, I will leave a discount code down below for you guys to get 15% off your entire order. Also, I will leave the links to every one of these pieces down below. You would want to go snag you at least one or two of these products. In my opinion, you need them all. But okay, they do have a lot more variety on their website if you go to their website. And if you guys like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Bye!